Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech Ons. So today I get the following one error notification while I try to open the Minecraft launcher, and it shows we could not sign you into Xbox Live, and in bottom it also shows the one error code. So how to fix this issue? And sometimes this is occurs for incorrect date and time settings. So first of all, check your system date and time settings if it is set to correct or not. And always enable this automatic mode to avoid the incorrect date and time. So once you enable it, so next you can open your Windows run and then execute this command services.msc. So here you can locate Xbox services and simply double click on it. So now you can change the startup type to automatic and click to start this service. So you can do this process for all the Xbox services. So once you change the startup type and close these Windows services, so next you can open your Microsoft Store and then press your Microsoft profile picture icon and click to sign out. So once you sign out your Microsoft Store, just close it. So next you can open your Windows settings and go to apps category. So here I try to access apps and features, and it shows me all installed apps, but you can locate that Microsoft Store. I locate it. So here you can press this vertical three dots icon and go to advanced options and slightly scroll down and finally click to reset. So once you've done these processes, just close all the windows and don't forget to restart your Windows PC. So after the restarting is completed, one more time I try to access my Microsoft Store. And don't forget to sign in your Microsoft account details. And the sign in process is successfully completed. So next I try to launch that Minecraft launcher. Because I check it if this trick works or not. But friends, now this time you can see this Xbox Live is opening very smoothly. So now this time it does not show that previously occurred error message. So anyway, if you have any doubts, just comment to me. So otherwise, just leave a one like. So for more tech videos, you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel Tech Ons, and thanks for watching.